Hey famous monsters, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a highly requested video. It's about how I style my hair. This is like one of my favorite, or maybe the only hairstyle that I know how to do. So I do it most of the time. So it's basically how I curled my hair. Like literally sometimes I can do this hairstyle in like 10 minutes. If I already have like a old curls on it, it's really fast for me to just kind of curl it really fast. This curls are a little tighter today, but I feel like by the next day it really falls, and it just falls so nicely and naturally. It just looks so good. This is a little formed. So if you guys haven't seen the video of me making this wig and doing the color and everything, I'm going to leave a link down below, or the pop-up that just popped up right here. Oh, is it right here? I don't know. You can go ahead and click that so you can see how I got this whole color and how I made this wig. This here is from her hair company. They basically sent me like 3 bundles and a frontal, and I created this whole look, the color and everything by myself. Let's just get right into this curling because I can talk forever. You guys know that. Okay, so we're gonna get right into this video. As you guys can see, this is how my hair looks before. Honestly guys, you guys already know I don't like really putting products on my hair, so it's always like the way it is, except when I like shampoo and condition it or whatever. But yeah guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the hair thoroughly and make sure there's no any detangle. I freaking love this her hair company hair. I don't know, it's so soft. It doesn't give me any issue at all. And just apply chapstick. Anyway, so this is the one that I'm going to be using. It's so huge. This is the 32mm one. I'm not exactly sure about the brand, but I got this from the I think I got it from Ross. So if you guys are looking for like hair stuff, like flat iron, curling iron, whatever you're looking for hair, or even hairspray, make sure you go to like Ross or Marshall. They have it for a very inexpensive price. I think I got that one for like $20. Can you believe that? And it works amazing. And I've been looking for like a really big one for the longest. I went to the beauty supplies and that gym was like $80 something. So I'm so happy I went to like Ross and I found it for like $20, and I freaking love it. But anyway, so right here I'm just basically sectioning off the hair. I like to start curling my hair from the back. So yeah, I'm just gonna section it, and then I'm gonna take a big chunk. So with this curls, because you don't want it to be super tight, you want to make sure you get a really good sized chunk. And then what I do is take the curling iron over my head and I put it underneath the hair, and then roll the hair on top of the one. You guys saw how I did that, right? So you want to make sure you're curling backward away from your face. That is what is going to give you that nice swoop. So everything goes away from your face. Do not curl it forward, because then the hair starts to like curl and like cover your face. You want it to be like away from your face, and it just creates that. Yeah. So as you guys can see how the curls came out, it's very nice and like loose, but it's still really well formed. And basically, literally guys, that is all I do, and I just keep repeating this throughout the hair. Yeah, I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went. And as you guys can see, when I get to like the front part of the hair, as you guys can see, not the top, but like the part that's in front, I don't really take my wand all the way to the root. I kind of give it a space away from the root. So now, because this part is just repetitive, I'm not going to like make it slow. I'm just gonna let it play so you guys can just watch. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill.
Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking.
Okay guys, so right here is when I start to really make sure I'm curling the hair and not really taking it all the way to the root. So as you guys can see, that space that I gave, and that just kind of create the swoop, because when you curl it all the way to the root, it becomes really tight that it sits like right on your face. You do not want the hair to be right on your face, so you kind of want to give it that, you know, space, and just hold it for a little bit and then let it go. See, when you look at it, it's just kind of going backward, it's flipping back.
It's on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real.
And so when we get to this part of the frontal, this is when we really start to curl the frontal. What I like to basically do is take my curling wand and I like to press the root, just because the root might be a little, what do you call it? Like it needs a bit of flat ironing, but we don't want to flat iron the hair because then it's going to take away from the volume. But yeah, so I just kind of put the heat on the roots on the front and the underneath the hair, and then I curl it.
Getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong.
So guys, literally we are done with curling this hair. As you guys can see, that is all you do, and boom, you got you some nice Victoria's Secret little bombshell hair. So I'm taking my spray. This spray is not, I don't believe it's like a holding spray. I just got it just because I needed a spray, but this is like a texturizing spray, and it just kind of gives the hair a bit of a texture, which I love. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush and just brush the hair. As you guys can see, I'm like brushing it backward and then play around with my hand. So now I'm taking the wand and I'm putting it back on the hair, like on the roots of the hair, and that just kind of creates a volume on top of the hair. So you guys can see the difference on this side and then versus the other side that I haven't done yet. It just kind of gives the hair a bit of volume. So go underneath and boom. You guys, we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and make sure to check the video on how I created this wig, and I'm also gonna leave the link on how to get this hair from her hair company. And bye guys, remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.
See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con. Ooh, when I'm sober, I don't wanna front. Ooh, caught that polo right from my song. Catching feelings like them buddies you read it on. Straight up out the plane, yeah.